What I always like about the drums, and it's just that low end. I love me some low end. If you listen to any song, the thing that's making you go, what is this? You're doing that because of the drums. As long as the drummer keeps going, the band can keep going. We get a lot of fun made of us, but we're the heart and soul of the music. My passion for music and cars definitely comes from Dad. My first memory of Lamborghini, very simple. My father was test driving a Countach. It's the low-end rumble that I love. As my dad used to say, I wanted to sound like thunder. So there's definitely the element of thunder. I've always been the guy that wanted different, something that nobody else had. You want wow factor? Drive Lamborghini. If you want to make a statement, drive Lamborghini.